Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Happy Tuesday morning. As you can hear, sorry, guys, I'm still recovering. I'll try not to die. It's gonna be a short episode, but I definitely wanted to be here this morning because I had to cancel last Thursday night Forex talk over beer. So as you can see, yeah, okay. So not joking. It's really rare I'm sick, but this one hit me like a freaking train. Okay. Um, okay, so first thing first, let's jump into some trade ideas. Let's see here what we got. Where is our chart? Right here. Okay, cool. Perfect. Okay. Actually, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. Sorry. Okay. Let's put the screen bigger and let's get started. Sorry about that little delay. Like I said, this was the first night that I was actually able to sleep, and yeah, needed some recovery time. Okay, so let's go take a look at those alerts that got triggered during the night. Let's go take a look first at AUDGPY, see what's happening here. I didn't look at my chart yet, so I'm going to do that at the same time with you guys. So let's take a look. AUDGPY, we had higher low potential on H4. Oh, okay. And after that, it just destroyed. So okay, this trade idea is invalid. Let's refresh our lines. Perfect. So now we became bearish here on H4. Let's switch that. There we go. We got for our lower low, and we got our lower high. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so this is gone. Let's go check GJ. What was this alert? I didn't name it. That's rare. Oh, looks like GJ was at the high low potential here. Okay. But look at this here. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ weekly is bullish. We went down here, retest this weekly area of interest. Daily is bearish at the moment. And 4 hour is 4 hour is the fuck 4 hours bullish. Okay. Here and here. Yeah, this was a nice trade idea right here. Let's see. Yeah, right inside our golden zone right here. Let's go check if there was just this is for learning purposes, guys. So let's go take a look. Let me delete this here. And let's go take a look on the lower time frame. Oops. What did I do here? All right. So let's take a look here. The 1 hour. Oh, the 1 hour gave us a nice engulfing right here. But is the yeah, the 1 hour at that moment was bearish though, so that's not good. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. 30 minute went bearish also, so not really nice. I would be very cautious by taking this trade on the 1 hour here. Very cautious because the 1 hour is bearish, so not really interested. What about USDCH chef? Let's go take a look. The weekly, still nice. This is still a valid trade idea. Wow. I do apologize, people. Like I said, I'm still sick, trying to recover here. Um, yeah. I'm still here, guys. I'm still here with you, even sick. So that deserve a freaking like button right there. Okay. Man, I need some water. Okay. Okay, let's get back into it. Okay, so here we got the weekly coming up to this weekly area of interest to come down. So this is perfect. So this trade idea is still valid. It's just too bad that I would thought that after this small body candle, you're kind of a doji-ish, whatever. It would be nice, but look like the daily is going to create a high. So we're going to need the daily to go bearish before taking this trade. So this is not going to happen today. So I'm going to put this under here, and this still a good trade idea. Euro USD. Let's take a look at Euro USD. Weekly is bearish. Daily is bearish. This is perfect. Wow, this was a nice break retest. 4 hour. 4 hour is 4 hour is bearish. Yeah, I was actually expecting for price to come up a little higher here to create our lower high to continue down, but this never happened. So let's see, did we add any other opportunity here on the lower time frame? We had this engulfing, which was on Monday. What about 1 hour? 1 hour was already bearish. 1 hour here, maybe, But honestly, like I like a bigger pullback. Like I like a bigger pullback. So this trade idea is kind of playing out right now. So I don't know. I'm not really interested. The only other way I would be interested in that trade is continuation, meaning that price goes down and we come up, create a lower high to continue. So I'm gonna keep Euro USD up here because we might catch the continuation move. All right. GA. What about GA? GA weekly time frame. Hey guys, don't be shy to say hi. I'm sick, but I'm behind the screen, so you cannot catch it. So you can still talk to me, guys. Don't be shy. So if you have any question, don't be shy. Ask, and it will be my pleasure to help you out, guys. Okay. So here we go. We got Lloyd here. Good morning, Lloyd. How are you, man? Hopefully you're feeling better than me, because I'm sick like a dog since Thursday. Like it's been like what, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and today 6 fucking days. Horrible. Tested for the C C the COVID, but nothing. So that's good news, I guess. Okay, so whatever. Let's go back at it. Okay, so weekly here is bullish. We got the daily bullish, and I was expecting a rejection from this area, which was the weekly golden zone and the daily area of interest. What? So let's see here. We got the 4 hour. What about the 4 hour? Oh wow. Okay. So the 4 hour went bullish here, and again, I was expecting a pullback to continue up. Look, I missed the trade, but that's okay. In my rule, it's just if I don't have a pullback or a high low, I'm not that interested. So I'm just gonna wait. Now I'm just gonna wait. We're gonna update that line to here because this one is not closed yet, and I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait for a pullback. So this trade idea is not done yet because we didn't have the pullback yet. This is not a pullback. Okay, so this is not an elbow. So this is just straight up. We flip bullish. Okay, because before that, if you look, 4 hour was bearish. Once we broke above here, actually when we broke above here, like this candle flipped bullish. But until then, we're just moving up. So now I need a pullback to continue up. Okay, so GA, gonna keep an eye on it. Okay, because this is still valid. Um, Joe, hello, get better soon, Sasha. Thank you, Joe, man. Appreciate the kind word. Yeah, man, it's been rough. Oof. AUDGPY. Let's see. And we're getting close. And after that, we're gonna jump in on GU, which is the massive trade from tonight, which was it's actually better than what I thought because uh, I did a Sasha thing. I misplaced my TP, but in a good way this time. You know, last time I got fucked by misplacing my TP. I'm gonna have to correct myself, but that's what it is dealing with ADHD. It's sometimes just like you're so stupid, but you're doing stupid stuff. But this time, actually, it's for the better cause. So TP was actually hit better. Anyways, let's focus on AUDGPY for now. So weekly is bullish. Daily is massive bullish. And we came down here to this daily area of interest. We rejected, and finally, oh no, actually the daily was already bullish. Weekly bullish, daily bullish. So we were just waiting on 4 hour. Okay. So 4 hour is still bearish. So we're gonna wait for the 4 hour to go bullish. Okay, so this is still valid. We're gonna wait. Not my favorite setup though, so I'm gonna move this down here. It's not as clean as GA, I would guess. All right, let's talk about GU. Look at this. This was perfect. Perfect, perfect. Now let's understand why. Okay, so the weekly was bearish and still bearish, right? So weekly went bearish and we broke here. We came up, retest this area of interest to continue down. Okay, so this was the main idea. Look at the daily. Daily went bearish, So daily went bearish. Boom, boom, and we created here, the higher low. So if you trade on the daily, you can take this entry somewhere in here on the lower time frame. I didn't, but now if you look on the 4 hour, because I wait for the 4 hour to flip bearish, okay. And what's happened is this was the structure, right? So if you look here, oops, let me grab this here. So if you look here, the 4 hour was bullish. This is still bullish here, okay? Because we're between those two lines. Once we came down here, we broke that low, we flipped it bearish. And what I do, I wait for the lower high potential, like either inside that golden zone or the 382, just to give me an idea. But I was actually looking to retest this support, resistance, this area here, which we did. So once that happened, I went on the lower time frame to find my entry. Okay, so let's delete those two lines so we're not getting confused here. And went on a 2 hour. Was it the 2 hour time frame? The 2 hour time frame gave us the nice engulfing right here, but I acted on the 1 hour if I'm not wrong. Yes, correct. So right here on this 1 hour engulfing candle placed up above this resistance, and so it was like 17, 18 pips stop loss. Actually, let me give you the exact stop loss. It was 87, 6. No, hold on, wait a second. I'm not even talking about the right pair. GU here. Okay. 1.26433. 1.26433. Somewhere here. Whatever. Oh yeah, and my entry was a little lower. I think I was a little late. So entry was 26,247. 26,247. 26,247. Yeah, correct. There we go. So that's the exact entry. Okay. And this was supposed to be a 3-2-1, so somewhere around here. Perfect. So this was exactly what I did. I was aiming for a 3-2-1, but I kind of moved my when I do it with my magic key on TradingView, in all honesty, I was not expecting to hit TP tonight. So I just kind of, put my TP line, down the line. I knew it was like a little bit more than 3-2-1, so I was fine. I was like, let me adjust it tomorrow and we'll be fine. But it looked like it did hit it, and the TP was at 25,602. 25,602. 25,602. Right here. There we go. So, yeah, so this is pretty good because I did almost 7% now on this one, because I had two position running of 1%. And yeah, so 7% on one trade. So that's pretty good. Pretty good. And if I would have placed my TP correctly, it would be like a 3-2-1. That's it. I was not aiming specific target. If you look on the daily, I mean the weekly, because we based that on the weekly. So let me see. I mean, you can extend that trade up to this, support right here, but that's a very long way, and this is not my style of trading, right? So 3-2-1, I was super happy with that, and now realizing that it was a 3.45, actually better. So pretty happy with it. Um, so yeah, so this is a pretty solid trade. Um, and again, this is like, if you realize, like, it's the exact same thing I've been like showing you guys for the past, months. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. It's always the same fucking stuff, same fucking stuff. So 7% on the account tonight. So yeah, so pretty happy. Um, Even if I'm still sick like a dog, as you can hear. Oh, salut Xavier. Good trade. Thank you. Merci, merci. J'espère que tu vas mieux que moi, man, parce que moi, je suis malade comme un chien. Ça n'a pas de bon sens. Oh boy. Okay, so let's break down Entity Cat. Entity Cat, this is the trade I've been, this trade idea, like I said, I've been talking about it since March, I think. I'm waiting for now this daily time frame to flip back bullish, but it looked like it don't want to go. So I'm just waiting for that. AUDGPY, we talked about it. AUDGPY, what? Okay. AUDGPY, we talked about it, if I'm not wrong. Attends un peu. Yes, moi ça va super bien, repose-toi, merci. Merci, les filles vont bien aussi, j'espère. All right, so AUDGPY, yeah, we talked about it. AUDGPY, yes. Euro USD, USDCH Chef, we talked about it. What about NZD USD? Oh, look at this. Oh. We might have something here. Okay. So weekly is bearish. Okay. But we are at a lower low. We had a little pullback here, but honestly, I was expecting like a retest of this area inside that golden zone. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm actually gonna place an alert here. I'm not gonna be interested until we retest here. Entering GZ on a weekly and retesting weekly area of interest. So, this is a daily golden zone. GZ on daily. There we go. Let me go check the daily. Oh yeah, the daily is creating now a lower low. So this zone's gonna be invalid now. So I'm just gonna delete that. And we're just gonna say retesting weekly area of interest. But this candle's not closed yet, so we don't know if we're creating a lower low. We need to wait for the end of the day. So NZD USD, I'm gonna keep an eye on it, but right now nothing interesting. AUD CAD, AUD CAD, AUD CAD. If you look weekly, we're getting the retest here of this daily area of interest. We're still bearish. The daily is still bearish with this double top here. Oof, massive drop. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour. Okay. So 4 hour finally went bearish. Awesome. So let's update those lines. So let's do lower low here and lower high. Perfect. So now I'm gonna wait for the pullback to continue to the downside. So this one I like it. So I'm actually gonna move this up. I kind of like this pair. Did I just saw kids running outside for the bus and mine is not awake yet? Oh yeah, it's not saying he switched school. Yeah, sorry guys. I was like, did he miss? Is he gonna miss his bus now? Okay. Hey guys, make sure to smash that like button. I'm here like sick like a dog for you guys that deserve a little like here. Okay. It's a rough morning, let me tell you. 6 straight days sick. Blah. Um. Okay, so yeah, the 4 hour, we're just gonna wait for the pullback here, and we're gonna move it, and we're gonna take it to the downside. Okay, so AUD CAD makes sense. What about AUD USD? AUD USD. Oh, okay, we got something here. I like it. Okay, so the weekly. Whoops, what the hell? So the weekly was already bearish. So anything between those two lines here is just market structure. Okay, perfect. So now that we know that, let's go on the daily. Daily went bearish. Okay, so daily went bearish. And if you look here, we're bearish here, and anything between those two lines is just bearish. Okay, we tried to take that trade a couple of times already, but nothing was happening. If you look at the 4 hour, the 4 hour, sorry guys, oh my gosh. Okay, we get it. So, like I was saying, the 4 hour was bullish here. We had the pullback here. So, did we create a new high? So, if you look here, we did. Okay. So, this boom was our new high and new high low. Once we did break under here, we became bearish. Perfect. And after that, we move this right here. I'm doing that for you guys so you guys understand, but I'm also super visual. Okay, so I like moving those lines, and look at this. This should just melt. Actually, the best trade idea was once we broke here, wait for the pullback, actually retesting this area, which is perfect. Even if it's not like a 382 or golden zone, this one will be super valid because we're retesting a massive area and you take it to the downside. Now let's go take a look for learning purposes on a 2 hour. Do we have, okay, so on the 2 hour, you get a nice entry right here. You got your nice engulfing candle. Oops, wrong side. There we go. What the what? There we go. So you can play stop like a couple pips above that wick, and then you can aim for easy at 3, 2, 1, and boom. Okay, so that would be pretty good. Let's go take a look if you had any other entry. 1 hour, 1 hour. You had this nice engulfing also, which is pretty much the same area. 30 minute. What about the 30 minute? 30 minutes right here. Yeah, or even here. Like here, you would have probably been stop. Here would be a good entry. But hey, whatever. And then took that one. Now, how can we catch the next move? Continuation. So now that we got a new lower low, you just wait for the pullback. Okay, you wait for the pullback. Oops. Man, So rough. Give me one sec, guys. Woo. All right, we're back. I think it's the last day of being sick, though. You know that when you start, um, how do you say that in English? What's blowing your nose, right? When you blow your nose and you see it's kind of yellowish. Sorry for the detail this morning, but you know that this thing is getting out of your system now. So I'm like kind of excited. Um, sorry for the details, guys. Okay, so if you want to catch AUD USD, just wait for the pullback, and I think we can have a nice continuation. So I'm actually gonna put that, and that's gonna be good. What else we got? Into the USD. We just talked about that one, right? Did we just talk about that one? Actually, no, because my line is not updated. So let's do it. So weekly is bearish, but we're creating a lower low now. So I mean, there's nothing we're gonna be able to do soon. Let's delete this alert. It's gonna be invalid. And yeah, I mean, there's nothing to do here. We're at a lower low. So do you really want to enter on a lower low? The answer is hell no. Boom. Let's update this. Lower high, lower low, and we're gonna move on to the next pair. GCAD. Um, je viens de donner ton commentaire, Zach, de bonhomme qui pleure de rire. Effectivement, c'est désolé pour les détails, mais c'est ça, tu sais. Tu sais, quand le méchant il sort, là, ça sort, tu sais, tu tousses, là, tu vas aller cracher dans le lavabo, là, tu sais. Je peux pas quand je viens de dire ça. OK. GCAD. OK. Daily is bullish. Okay. Let's start with the weekly. Weekly is bullish also. Daily bullish. 4 hour. 4 hour. 4 hour is bearish. Okay. Not interested. GPP NZD. GPP NZD weekly. Not interested because we're not at the weekly area of interest. So I'm not interested. Euro NZD. Not. Hold on. We didn't come down here, but we did retest, I think, the daily area of interest. Yeah. But we're already on the move, so I'm not interested. GPPCHF. Let's take a look at the weekly. It's what a mess. No, I'm not interested. I mean, like, guys, like, like, and you're probably going to answer that by yourself, but do you really want to trade this? Look at this shit. And since we broke here, I've been waiting for the retest here to come down, but we're just playing range game here. We're just like accumulation. So the only way I would be interested now in this trade is this. Oops. What? Let's do this, and okay, let's delete it. Damn it. So basically, I just want to see this now, and breaking under here and finding retest to continue down. But except that, I'm not interested at all. USD GPY weekly bullish. We're creating a higher high. So what's the point? NZD GPY. We are at or coming down now to the weekly area of interest. So that might be interesting maybe this week or next week. But for now, nothing. CAD GPY daily is ranging. Weekly, yeah, it's horrible. Not interested. ADCHF. Yeah, just waiting for that retest. I should place an alert. Boom. Let's put an alert. It's not gonna happen today or this week or next week, but in the next couple week, and I want to be notified when this happened. Retesting weekly area of interest. What is the daily? Whatever. Oh, it's a daily. Daily. Here we go. Perfect. USD CAD. USD CAD weekly is just back in that range. Bull. Yeah, nothing interesting here. You see, I'm just looking for pairs that's trending nice, like nothing fancy, guys. Why do you complicated stuff? I know I did complicated stuff for a while. But once you get it, you're like, fuck, man. Sorry for the F bomb. But the reality is, why should I go try to trade against the trend, or trying to be creative out there? Just find a pair that's trending, and just, man, you can catch this move, like market is either going like this. It's either going like this or like this. Why? Right? So the best way to trade it is, let's say you want to buy, you freaking buy every time that price goes here, you know, goes here, etc., etc. And same thing to the downside. You sell here, you sell here, and you sell here. What is hard to do here? Just like, I can't believe I complicated myself for so long. Just like, you wait for the higher low potential, and that's it. So, um, it's me going off script right now. Well, I don't have any script, but that's all good. Euro GBP, ugly as shit, so I'm not touching it. Gold, 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 gold. What's going on, gold? So gold is getting that higher low potential here on the weekly, right inside our golden zone right here. Okay, so weekly is still bearish. Daily is bearish. Are we? Let's put it straight on the line. Let's zoom in just to make sure. Okay, we're still bearish, so we're good. So daily is bearish. 4 hour is, yeah, 4 hour was, hold on, wait a second. Let's delete this, remove, boom. Okay. So, so 4 hour was bullish here. After that, it was bullish here. We're still bullish because this is not a pullback. But we create a higher high here. So we move down here, and we became bearish here. Okay, so let's update that line. There we go. And this is lower low that we're gonna move down here. Actually, this one's not closed, but it's closing in 20 minutes. Okay, so yeah, so now to be honest, like for gold, I want to see, something like this to continue down. Yeah, that would make sense. I'm not trading actively gold, but still, this is a trade idea for anyone trading gold. Okay, let's go move back to GJ here. GJ, what we got? GJ, I might be using the dogtail setup here on H4 at 9. So basically, I'm going to wait for this candle to be closed and use the dogtail setup, meaning that I'm going to wait for the tail to be formed to the downside. Once we break the high right here, I'm going to take it to the upside. That's going to be a quick scalp, especially that now there's a support being formed inside that H4 golden zone. So we should continue to the upside. So, but except that, like, we had like this massive trade on GU, which is beautiful. And yeah, that's about it. Hey guys, I bought a racing horse. Yes, well, a virtual racing horse. But man, if you guys interested in earning real money while racing, you gotta check out Photo Finish. It's actually an NFT project, but you don't need to have the NFT. You can just play the game. Photo Finish Live, yeah. Um, actually, yeah. Here we go. So you got some live racing. Um, Yeah, it's so cool, man. So cool. You can actually bet money. And the cool thing is you actually can build your stable. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just bought my first female for a couple thousand. And yeah, man, I'm gonna race her, make her some to win some nice race. And I'm gonna find her a good stud and we're gonna create some babies and raise some more and sell horses, uh, which is a pretty cool thing, dude. This shit is crazy. This shit is crazy. I'm really like this thing is pretty cool. In all honesty, this is one of the NFT project that I think is the most solid out there. But like again, you don't need the NFT to play the game. You can just sign up on the website, like like my grandparents can do it, like anyone can actually sign up, found the account and just start betting. Or you can actually have you got some free race also you can enter. So anyways, I don't want to do a full review on this, but yeah, man, I find this thing fucking cool. Anyways, let's get back to it. Let's go back to trading view. uh Can you take a quick look at, hold on, wait a second, the question just disappeared on me. Uh, where is this question? Okay. Lloyd, can you take a quick look at EJ? Yes, we can. Give me one sec here. So Euro GPY. Euro GPY. So the weekly is bullish. We are, under that daily area of interest, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, right here. So we had this nice area. You went under it, create support, nice engulfing. Oh, actually, oh, I know why I was not interested, because I didn't updated my line. Thank you, Lloyd. Because if you look, the weekly is clearly bullish. We have a little pullback here, and if you look at the daily, I looked very quickly and without updating my line. So now, if you look carefully, you realize that now the daily is bullish. Thank you, Lloyd. That's why we are all part of the same team here. There we go. So now it makes much more sense. Actually, now I'm starting to be very interested. Good catch, Lloyd. So you got this nice engulfing candle also in the daily, which is a pretty good sign. Let's go take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour went, so this was bearish from there to there. And we went bullish, because here I don't really have like an elbow, but doesn't really matter because it would have creating a lower low no matter what here. So now my only problem with this is the 4 hours bearish. Okay, so the 4 hours bearish. So the best thing for this pair right now, because this is not a pullback, right? So this is just straight line. So you can actually erase all those small candle, put this one beside, and you don't have any elbow, right? So meaning that we're going straight like this and like this. So the best thing for this pair would be to come down here, create a lower low, you know, come back above, break here, retest to continue to the upside. So that would be what I would be waiting for. You can always, based out the fact that we got a weekly and the daily bullish, you can take a more aggressive trade if you want by waiting for the, let's say, the 2 hour or the 1 hour to go bullish. Let's see here. So here, from there to there. Yeah, so I guess here would have been the entry. More aggressive, more risky, because the 4 hour is not bullish yet. But that the here would be like a pretty good entry. What about the 30 minute? 30 minute went bearish from there to there. Boom, boom, boom. So it went bullish. Here would be another good entry on 30 minute. Boom, boom, boom. Went bearish, bullish again. So here we're bearish. So now, if you're asking me, like when I would take that trade to the upside, sorry guys, the 1 hour went bearish right here. No, actually, it's still bullish. We're bullish here. We got this nice engulfing. It would be a nice entry, but like I said, it's more risky because you don't have the 4 hour in sync. Let's take a look at the 2 hour. No, 1 hour, 30 minute. So if you look here, the 30 minute, 30 minute is bullish and bearish, right? So no matter what, I would wait to break here. I would wait for something like this, to continue to the upside. Yeah. So not as nice as I thought. So I'm actually going to leave it here in my list, but I'm going to move it down under 80 CAD. GU, I think I can catch the continuation. If you look on 4 hour, I'm just going to wait for the pullback. Just going to wait for the pullback, and maybe we can catch continuation here. Pull back on 2 hour, 1 hour, whatever, and just keep, moving with despair. All right, guys. So that's about it. Like I said, I'm still sick, so I'm not gonna extend this live stream. Hopefully, it was helpful for you guys. Once again, I appreciate every single one of you, and wishing you an amazing day. Trade safe. Don't do anything stupid. Enjoy the day. Take care. Peace out.